on my bed at night. I tell her turn the lights down low. I'm trying to figure out my mind. She always wonder where I go. I tell her good music. Coming home with a pocket full of tulips. She wanna point a finger at me, no excuses. I'm trying to end up in that pussy like tulips. She wanna off my head, wanna off my head, my head. Can we both forget? Baby, I don't know. Want me more or less? Want me more or less, or less? Is it all for sex? Baby, I hope so. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I ain't got time if you think that you in love with me. So tell me what you want from me. I ain't got time if you really wanna fuck. You bitchin' all the time, but you never get enough from me. So tell me what you want from me. Sitting in the hotel lobby, you never get me off my phone. Shoot me like a paparazzi. For sure, then I got to go make good music. Everybody me like Cupid. I wanna end up in that pussy like tulips. She wanna off my head. Want me more or less? Want me more or less, or less? Is it all for sex? Baby, I hope so. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I ain't got time if you think that you in love with me. So tell me what you want from me. Oh, and I ain't got time if you really wanna fuck. You bitchin' all the time that you never get enough from me. So tell me what you want from me.
I say, what you want from me? You want a college guy, a low yes man who like to work the 9 to 5. I ain't tripping cause I know you make a lot of dough, but I might see you on a tour, girl, you never know. And I ain't even mad at you, you did what you had to do. Heard you go to Georgia Tech, when I go to Savage U. Said you never heard me turn around and did me dirty. I would've got you a drink if I knew you was gonna be thirsty.
The world's heavy on me now when I feel I can't move it, dog. And when I got it down, feel like I'ma lose it, dog. Every day feel like the worst day ever. When I'm with you, girl, it be like my birthday never. I mean, tell me why I really want you right now. I wanna love you, all you wanna do is fight now. Tell me how it's backwards, girl, you need practice, girl. You about to make me bounce like a mattress, girl. I said,
tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I ain't got time if you think that you in love with me. So tell me what you want from me. Oh, and I ain't got time if you really wanna fuck. You bitchin' all the time that you never get enough from me. So tell me what you want from me.
How you measuring talent or who's better than shit? I made it here with a team on my back, no letterman. Tour like I'm a veteran, Cali to the Netherlands, but he's an average Joe. They say he'll never win. White rapper with a cheesy name, thinking he might find easy fame. False. Haters, please refrain. Look at all these fans you've seen me gain. Real recognize it's real, maybe that's why you can't see it. Put your reading glasses on, high up and I'm passing strong. I engineer my sessions, I could probably teach you lessons. There's so much more than meets the eye upon your first impression. See, I work hard, but don't we all? I rip shows, but don't we all? Or do we? Rappers say a lot, but boy, I really traded in my social life for Pro Tools and the Mac. Staying in on Friday nights, I'm laying vocals on my tracks. Swear I never used to party, I was focused on the plaque. Thought I'd fade away and quit you, fool, I told you I'd be back. I be in the lab like Dexter, and your fake is polyester. Through it all, I slept with school, I'm about to start my last semester. So, can't tell me what it is to grind. Did my thing and I took my time. Class of my own, boy, I'm so stoned, I'm high as Diddy's credit line. Why would I stand where I don't fit in? Why would I rap and I ain't shit in? Why would a chick keep looking at me when it's clear to see that she came with him? True for the stars and I aim to win. Smoking good and drinking gin. Girls get loose, wear the big juice. Party all night till it hits AM. Yeah, I'm on my way. So why would I trip off what they say? Hit the stage for 30 minutes, get off making twice they pay. Damn, and that's some real shit. You should think about it if you took the time to listen instead of doubting you be about it. See, regardless of what they speak, they can talk, I'll turn my cheek. Giving up and walking home to call it a day is super weak. I keep going when I'm running on E. Rapcast really got nothing on me. Check this out, what you don't see is for a minute I've been killing this shit low-key. Labels tried to fly me out, buy me sushi, sit me down, but I don't fit in with the mainstream now, so I guess that means we can't be down. Sorry fools, but I refuse to simply compromise my sound. I'll be up on my indie shit, you see me bro, I get around. Give my music all away and then I tour. Wait for what I've got in store. I'm a young entrepreneur, and see every time I worry or feel a bit unsure, I hit the stage and look around and feel so reassured. Outsider.